Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice bounce today on this one. Sure, it pulled back, but I get it. From where it closed here, I mean, compared to where it was all the way down at the lows, like I said, yeah, it pulled back from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where it was at its lows to where it is right now, that's still a good, solid move, which going into next week now brings about the valid question. But is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $7.45. Why is $7.45 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $7.45. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would literally be putting the price right back to where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas, let's say the price goes down here, however, in this situation, behaves like that and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote progress, I'm defining and quantifying as 745. What about levels of resistance? Well, resistance right now, pretty straightforward. It's all about the purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the famous 50-period simple moving average. You can see right there, fake breakout ultimately acted as resistance, and then you fast forward to today. And what a coincidence. The price was all the way down there, and then it went up and went up and went up and went up and went up, and all of a sudden right there at the purple line. Now, I'm not saying that, the 50-period can't be broken. I'm just saying that historically speaking, it makes sense why the price did struggle around that area. So the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only fight above that level, but then stay up above it. All in all, though, nice bounce today, and we'll see if the price can build upon this momentum or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.